The war in Ukraine has seen a remarkable shift in dynamics. Today, we delve into the secret American weapons and technology that are changing the course of this conflict. Since the full-scale invasion, international support for Ukraine has been crucial. But beyond the headlines, specific, advanced American systems have proven to be true game-changers. The conflict is a brutal test of modern warfare, with both sides leveraging technology and resources. Understanding the stakes is key to appreciating the impact of these advanced weapons. American aid isn't just about volume. It's about providing high-quality, high-tech systems that address specific battlefield needs, giving Ukrainian forces an asymmetric advantage. Let's spotlight the core American weapon systems that have made the biggest difference in recent months. The High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, or HIMARS, offers unprecedented precision and range, allowing Ukraine to target Russian command centers and logistics hubs far behind the front lines. The Javelin anti-tank missile system has been vital for Ukrainian infantry, delivering devastating top-attack strikes against heavily armored Russian vehicles. Beyond munitions, a less talked about, but equally critical factor is the advanced surveillance and targeting capabilities provided by the U.S. High-resolution satellite imagery and real-time data sharing provide Ukrainian forces with a clarity of the battlefield previously unavailable, enabling smarter, faster decisions. Reconnaissance drones, often integrated with U.S. technology, offer crucial, low-cost intelligence gathering, spotting targets for systems like HIMARS. The combined effect of precision weapons and superior intelligence has profoundly impacted the ground war, altering tactical and strategic outcomes. HIMARS, in particular, has severely degraded Russia's ability to supply its frontline troops, forcing a significant change in how and where they store ammunition and command units. These systems not only enhance Ukraine's defense, but also provide the necessary reach and accuracy for crucial counteroffensive operations. The secret American weapons are fundamentally changing the narrative, transforming the operational capabilities of the Ukrainian military against a larger adversary. As the war continues, the focus will likely shift to sustainment and even more advanced systems, ensuring Ukraine maintains its technological edge. Ultimately, these weapons represent a fusion of American technology and Ukrainian resilience, proving decisive in this major global conflict. Thank you for watching.